Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to install Google Keep from your PC or laptop. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I have opened my Google Keep app from my desktop. Now to uninstall this, on the top right you will find these three dots. Click on this and over here you can see his Uninstall Google Keep. Just click on this. And after that, you can find this pop-up. You can check this also delete data from Google Chrome. And after that, click on this remove. And that's it. We have successfully uninstalled Google Keep app from our PC. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time. So that's it.